What is up, YouTube? You guys are on the Rusty Rotor Garage 702 channel. Hopefully you are. We'll get to that later. Today, Junior, what's today?
Oh, it's unmasking.
Oh yeah, but what is today?
4th of July!
Woo! It's America's birthday. America! Happy 4th of July, everybody. We're a couple videos behind on... I'm a couple videos behind on editing. We'll get them posted. We got 2 more before this, so you'll eventually see it. But, alright guys, so we got the
painting done.
We got the whole paint. Look at that. Look at, ooh, Junior, wave at yourself in the reflection. Yeah, see? So guys, it turned out pretty good. We are gonna do a little bit of buff and cut just to, really smooth it out. It's not perfect. Again, it is a garage job here. But the most important thing, guys, you can't see any gray.
None of our work.
Yep. This, we got sanded down. The top, actually, if you guys remember, the reason we did this panel because it was slightly off and the clear coat was coming off about this tall. So you see all of that disappeared. Again, we're going to sand and buff. Or not sand, I'm sorry. Buff and cut. That door came out really good. Inside here, exactly what we needed. Nothing too special or crazy.
Underneath?
Oh, yeah, underneath. Hello. Underneath is painted. Again, guys, we just gotta buff it out a little bit, so we get it a little bit smoother. And then, of course, we go to the final side, which I think looks pretty darn good, guys. Got a couple right in this area. We got to fix these just a little bit, but I think we did a pretty good job. And again, guys, it was done in the garage with dust everywhere. I mean, we did what we could to keep stuff down, but see that? That's from the paint. Up here wasn't even from paint. It's just dust. So we're happy about that. The next challenge we're gonna have is the hood itself, because we're losing the clear coat on it. And I really don't want to have to sand down the whole thing and do the clear coat on it. So that's where we're at. I can't wait to see it physically out in the driveway in the sun.
Which we're going to show you.
Yeah, which we'll show you. So, I'm going to help Junior. I'm going to do the old one-handed technique here, where I just start yanking. Come on now. But yeah, guys, we're pretty excited. Oop. Pretty excited.
Sorry, I'm a gentle person.
Gentle. Well, I'm one-handed, so yeah. See here, guys, we don't know how well this will come back if it does, but we'll see. Awesome thing is it's 4th of July. Got the day off. We're doing this. We're gonna clean up the backyard. We're gonna bring the GTO back in the garage because I don't like it sitting out there, and it's been hot, and it rained once, but luckily I did put that thing over the back window, so it didn't even go inside. It just caught in that. So good job, Kevin. Update a little bit more here in a minute, and we'll show you what it looks like unmasked. All right, guys, we're basically uncovered. Little spots here and there. Say hi, Edgar. Edgar came over to give a hand. Got the rest of this side to finish up. A little bit on the top, the wheels, and we are good to go. Yep. So, new taillights come in on Tuesday. Woohoo! Basically the same style. Didn't have to buy 2, but one was broken, so might as well just buy both. So they match. And yeah, we're looking good. We're excited. Alright guys, let's see what she looks like coming out in the sunlight. Junior! Not too shabby. Again, guys, we gotta buff it down, get that shine out really good. But I will say, this looks pretty darn good, and the color looks really good. So yeah, here's a good example of how it looks, guys. So we gotta get this buffed down nice and smooth, then it'll look more like that. But this still has to be buffed, so we clean that up, get some shine back out of it.
Yeah, just cut and buff.
All in all, guys, we're pretty happy with it, especially for a garage paint job. Color is good. All right, now we're gonna put the charger on the GTO and do a burnout. All right, guys, she might be a little stumped. Keys might help. Okay, she might take a minute because it's been hot out, and I know it's gonna take a second for that fuel to build up. Ooh, that key cylinder is really hot. Very bottom. A world of carburetor and mechanical fuel pumps. Yeah, you say start, but you're still not ready. It is hot. Hey guys, the original 400. 1973. Everything is hot. I felt so bad leaving it on the side of the house in this heat, but I did have it covered with a tarp. Oh, we gotta let that sit. Be back.
Yeah, just record them.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Again, it'll be a short one, but we're gonna put back on the side. That's back in. Hope you guys enjoyed the little burnout. Ooh! Happy 4th of July. Guys, be safe. Maybe we'll have some fireworks added or something like that later on. But for now, guys, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. We'd appreciate it. Have a good one. Catch you guys later.